na to? Ah.
Record lang po siya.
Good to see you find that. That was out of there today. 3 days today. Sing a song of
Okay yung music niya.
Nandun lang tayo sa gilid. Ganyan, magmamanifest tayo. Gusto nyo ganon? Kayo lang maririnig nila? Gusto nyo po ng ganon? Kauusap lang po natin kanina habang naghihintay sa praise team. Yung napag-usapan natin mga ninja moves, yung mga silent moves natin, yun ang gagawin natin. Dapat nasa side stage tayo. Wala tayong backstage. Okay.
Nalabil lang ako.
Start na po tayo.
Para sa ilang to, Brad. Isang oras.
Seryoso. Ay, nitulog ko.
I feel your hand again, pressing me to move with your plan again. Believing all that's worthwhile again, helping me to rise up and my mother told me that you can interpret dreams and vision. And last night in the middle day, I was saving too. My first dream saw 7 empty cattle grazing by the river. And from the line, a single file came 7 more beside. These girls were thin and haggard, and I said they were hungry. They stood up in the field and they swallowed us so high. Every day's like with expectation. My second dream was stranger. I saw 7 giant horse dogs attacked by 7 exploding dogs invading from the south. I get the small one, hit the big one. I cannot understand it. I know horse dog has ears, but we're getting very swallowed. The future sure changing by Almighty God. After 7 years of planning with no 7 family years, so my mind's the parents, and one mighty piece with the store supplies of food. Before the food all disappears. God's spirit is upon you, Joseph. His advice is taken. I'll make you commissioner my second in command. God, wisdom must be in you. Arise, take my ring, and keep track of all that. It's a fresh flow of the Spirit, a mighty river kept you moving, singing praises, a new song, changes arrival, a new beginning.
Praise and worship. Huli na yung ano namin, deliver us.
Hindi. Pinost ko nga eh.